Hello, it's me, Konata Hatsune. So, so last episode. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Welcome to the. Oh my god. Welcome to the forest of drizzling rain. Or, welcome back, I mean. So last time, we recovered our memories of our childhood and the reason why we left the house. We found out that Suga-kun is actually one of our best friends. Just one best friend. So, well, let's get into this, shall we? Oh, sorry. Okay, so we're trying to figure out how to get back to the mansion. What is it? The protective charms? Oh, about that. Well, actually, while in the forest, one of them snapped each time I encountered something strange. So, they've all been broken. I'm sorry, even though you did so much handing them to me. That's what those protective charms are for. Speaking of which, Suga, that sword of yours. I get the feeling that it's slightly shining, but is that also made of night glowstone? Did you make that, Suga-kun? And could you have made that necklace too? Amazing, Suga-kun. You've become as you said in the past. Even the night glowstone has a limit. The sword is almost done. Let's hurry on ahead. Okay. Another cutscene. Suga-kun? Is it painful? Your throat? It's my fault. Quick! If we don't get out of here, Suga-kun, you'll also... Won't let you escape, won't let you escape, won't let you escape. Suga-kun, are you alright? Found you, my cute child. Stop calling me that! I don't like you. I'm not cute. I'm fucking adorable. Suga-kun, there was definitely an underground path that was connected to the well in the lower path. The night glowstone has decayed. The water has risen due to the rain. Suga-kun, it's dark, so it'd be reckless to swim further in. Let's look to see if there's another path. A wooden ladder here. But the ladder is being held by a rope. Are you able to cut it with that sword? Obtained ladder. Okay, let's go. There is also a path on the other side, but it seems like it can be crossed by putting the ladder here. We need a key for this, so... let's try and find the key. A pedestal made of rock has been set here. Why is it that there are so many doors underground like this? interior of the forest of drizzling rain, is the hunt of a whirlpool of souls of love and hate. Who was the one who made it? However, the ones who deceived the village must have been none other than us. Words in old language have been written here, and it is quite difficult to decipher them. Actually, I don't think that there is a key. Words in old language have been written here, and it is quite difficult to decipher them. They're stuck together so much the pages don't flip. Why are they so tightly stuck together like that? No documents and memos have been left here. In the distant past, our ancestors received the night glow stone from a certain man. Why is it that my ancestors agreed with that man's deeds? Perhaps they may have been deceived. It was because that man, in order to entrap the one woman he fell in love with, just for that purpose, deceived the people of the village. It was like mere lust. It was perhaps unmistakably a twisted love. That loved woman had her husband, child in her belly killed, and was made to live her entire life in prison as a plaything. How could it be holy for us to pray to that stone implemented with love and hatred as a source of protection? I saw into the interior of its darkness. Just which generation among my ancestors would have made it like this in there? The filth was not in there. Rather, it was perhaps I who have done nothing, but who is the filthy one. Quite dreadful indeed. Almost everything was. Everything after that has become a crumbled and roughly written that it's not possible to read it. Okay, and with old documents. Need a key! Let's go back out here. I wonder if there's something like... there must be something that you can do with this. Open sesame. Whatever. Faintly, some light leaks in from above. This underground path was connected to the mansion. On the other side. Mansion's on the other side. Maybe this is also connected to the mansion, perhaps. But it's way above. I might not be able to reach even with a shelf. I guess there's nothing I can do but raise my voice and call, perhaps. No, the Ogami. I can't remember what it's called, but it might hear us. But if it is the only thing, then, yeah. This is exactly what the saint mask is. The disgusting deeds were in the inner forest and thus in the underground shrine. The writing is so rough that it can't be read. Faintly, some light leaks in from above. Someone there? Is someone there? If someone's there, please respond. Someone. It'll be alright, surely. Suga-kun, you don't need to make such an agonized face. After all, Suga-kun, all until now, you've always protected various people from that spirit, right? If so, then it'll be alright. Surely we will be able to return safely today as well. It'll be alright, because Suga-kun, when you were scared and crying, I also made a promise to protect you, Suga-kun. Alright, that's decided. I'll need to raise a larger voice. That can't be. It came in. Suga-kun? No. Right now, you can't go that way. No, you can't go. Ooh. Suga-kun? Suga-kun, wait! No, you can't! The door has been fixed in place so it won't open. No good. No good! This is all no. Please no! Suga-kun! For me to... I need to call for help. Quick! 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 Yeah. Open the door! Fuck you. Help! Someone! Someone! Please, we're in here and we can't get out. Someone, we're in danger. Please, someone, please find us. Someone. Found you. No, Jack? Sorry, that's my dog. Are you there? Hang in there. Right now, I'll get you out of there. What happened to Suga-kun? Hey, are you alright? Ugh. What the fuck? Then, right after getting rescued from the underground by Officer Mochizuki and Sakuma-chan, I fainted. Okay. When I woke up, I was resting in a hospital bed in a city far from Asakawa village. It felt so unreal, and I was so confused that the hospital didn't even consider discharging me. Surely they think I'd lost my mind. It has been already close to 2 weeks past when I should have been discharged. But from what I heard from Officer Mochizuki over the phone, Suga-kun, who should have been with me underground, has still not been found. Not even a corpse. We've just ended the search. I'm sorry, was that Officer Mochizuki said. That voice, going through the phone, shook with anger and confusion. Finally, time to hang up the phone. There was the voice of Sakuma-chan, as if she had stolen the phone from Officer Mochizuki beside her. The stone has broken, and the Kotorio Bake is now able to come outside. So you absolutely cannot come back to the village. Don't ever come again. Her voice firmly carried on a sense of seriousness, but I hung up the phone right there. There was a voice calling me, as if it were eating into my head, into my heart. The inviting voice does not leave my head. Come. Oh, fuck. Well, I'm not gonna read that. I threw away the medicine I received from the physical, something. and merrily followed towards the direction of the voice. I don't even know if it was my own will anymore. Hopelessly towards the direction of the voice, betraying her pleas and his promise. Ah, how is he doing as of now? Is he resting alone now, within those arms? If I can be embraced too, within those arms, but merely thinking that my chest, gloomily, helplessly, is filled with a sense of warmth. So I'll need to go back to that repulsive place. And so now, I'm swaying in this train, headed towards Asakawa village. Well, that's the end of Forest of Drizzling Rain. I hope you enjoyed that. Since this is my first Let's Play, and, well, I don't really post videos all that much. But I just recently started, obviously, so, yeah, it was actually kind of fun for me, I guess, even though I'm always kind of nervous because I'm messing up so much. But that doesn't really matter. But, the game is it was really good. Like, I liked the story. And it was very interesting. It was yeah, it was decent. So, well, that was full Let's Play of the Forest of Drizzling Rain. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!